Here I have DOOGEE V30, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key. And after device completely turns off, what you have to do is to hold down combination power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. So basically you just have to hold down O, and now we have this menu. So sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. You just hold down these buttons with your finger until you see this menu, and this is so-called boot mode. Here you can use volume up to navigate and volume down to select, and you have such options as recovery mode, fastboot mode and normal boot. So if you want to quit this mode, just select normal boot and device will boot normally. It will just restart as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.